The Honda Passport is a rugged yet refined midsize SUV designed for adventure seekers who crave both on-road comfort and off-road capability. With a bold exterior, spacious interior, and advanced safety features, the Passport strikes a perfect balance between utility and modern style. Powered by a robust V6 engine and equipped with available all-wheel drive, it's ready to tackle rough terrain while offering a smooth and responsive ride for everyday driving. However, the Passport doesn't have the off-road capability of the Ford Bronco or the refinement of the Hyundai Santa Fe. There's plenty of space for 4 adults, or 5 in a pinch, and the Passport's cargo bay is generously sized for adventure gear or a large Costco haul. The 2025 Honda Passport is the 2-row SUV for pragmatists, with its no-nonsense styling, practical interior, and long list of features. What you won't find here is much fun or visual pizzazz. Will this also be the case for the new generation of Passports? Introducing the all-new 2026 Honda Passport, a midsize SUV designed for those who crave adventure, with a bold look and the capability to match. The 2026 Passport features an updated exterior that's more rugged than ever before. With its aggressive new grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular body lines, this SUV commands attention, whether you're on the trail or cruising through the city. Designed to handle the elements, the Passport's raised ride height and sculpted fenders give it a tough, ready-for-anything look. The available 20-inch alloy wheels and matte black accents add a bold touch, making it stand out from the crowd. At the rear, the Passport features sleek LED taillights, a hands-free power tailgate, and dual exhaust outlets that add to its sporty, capable design. Step inside the 2026 Honda Passport and you'll find a refined and spacious cabin built for both comfort and functionality. With premium materials and seating for up to 5, it's designed to keep you comfortable no matter where your journey takes you. The modern dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to show everything from navigation to off-road settings. The center console is equipped with a large 12.3-inch touchscreen offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a host of Honda's latest tech features. With a versatile seating layout and fold-flat rear seats, the Passport offers up to 100 cubic feet of cargo space, plenty of room for all your gear, whether you're headed to the mountains or the beach. Under the hood, the 2026 Passport is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. With this robust powertrain, the Passport has the strength to tow up to 5,000 pounds, making it perfect for weekend getaways. It may not save as much fuel as a hybrid, but it is surely more reliable and powerful. Equipped with Honda's intelligent traction management system and available all-wheel drive, the Passport is ready to take on any challenge. From off-road trails to city streets, this SUV provides confident handling and a smooth, comfortable ride. The 2026 Honda Passport, designed for adventure, built for everyday life. With rugged styling, advanced technology, and powerful performance, it's ready to take you wherever you want to go.